Konnect Analytics is an in-platform capability that provides deep insights into AI and LLM usage. Now, the summary dashboard here shows the performance and health of all APIs across the organization on a single page, including the 3 golden signals of requests, error rate, and P99 latency for all services and management. Now, to view insights into usage of LLMs, I'll navigate into Explore. Now, Explore provides the ability to create custom views and reports of the API and LLM landscape across the organization based on any number of criteria. Now, as mentioned, across the organization, you have multiple teams that are creating applications, agents that are consuming any number of LLMs, and I'm looking to understand token usage across this provider. I'm looking to answer the question over the past 30 days, which are the most used model across the organization based on token count. So we'll start slicing and dicing our dashboard here and building. So what I want to do is I want to filter this. I want to set this to 30 days. And then here I have the option of choosing between API usage and LLM usage. This is kind of important to me as a platform owner, right? Because this tells me that the platform is able to delineate between API usage and LLM usage in case I wanted to view, analytics for either or. So in this particular case, I'm interested in LLM usage. Here I have the option of choosing how I want this data presented to me, time series line, horizontal by etc. For now, I'll start with time series line. And here I also see other options that are related to LLM usage, right? I see things like, completion token count or POX token count or total token count, or even costs, right? In this particular case, I'm looking to understand total token count usage across all LLMs. I want to refine this, select 1 hour to give me a more granular view of this dashboard. And then here I have further dimensions that allow me to further granularize what my view is going to look like. And here we can see LLM specific dimensions of what embeddings models or embeddings provider, etc. In this particular case, I want to select the provider. Right? So I'm looking, I get to understand total token count for LLM usage over the past 30 days by provider. And here we have a dashboard that's been presented to me. And here I can already begin to view this data, but perhaps I decide I want to view this in a different way. And maybe I select my horizontal bar. And here I'm able to see immediately, or much more clearly, I should say, that developers across my organization, as they build the applications and they integrate this application with LLM, they are using those agents or those applications and using OpenAI at the most, right? All of Azure, or here, Bedrock, etc. If I wanted to actually further refine this, I can actually refine that by consumer. Now, this gets very interesting because if I'm interested in beginning to implement a chargeback model, for example, this now begins to arrange for me the applications or the lines of businesses, like the consumer that is most using a particular model. In this particular case, I can see here that consumer, the top consumer there, is in blue with a really long name, is the one using, or the applications or agents are the ones using the OpenAI model the most. So now I have an agent or I have a line of business that I can begin to, charge back, or the cost of using this particular model. Now, as also mentioned, Con also provides or supports exporting this observability data to an observability stack outreach. We support over 13 different ingestion mechanisms. And here we're looking at a Grafana dashboard depicting LLM consumption across different teams. Here I can see Gen AI model usage, I can see token consumption trends, I can even see data related to cost per provider model and cost per consumer, enabling chargeback models if desired, right? You can see here that there's a ton more data that we're able to collect. And the question is, how are we doing? Because AI Gateway sits in between the agents, which are the AI applications that the developers are building, and the LLMs of this application, basically the AI agents are consuming. It provides a universal API that allows the developer teams to access hundreds of models through a single endpoint. It manages credentials to these LLMs, observability, and many more, abstracting away from the developers the complexities of the integration. I hope you enjoyed those. The question is, what do you build?